All right, today working on my 71 International. It's a 345 truck, automatic, two-wheel drive, 3/4 ton. It's a Travlet, which is really awesome if you ask me, because I've got kids. I had a lifter noise and I decided, well, I'll just go into the valve cover and maybe try to adjust the valves. No such luck. Let's see what I found. Up here, I've got a bad lifter sitting. The push rod's sitting there next to it with those pliers. These lifters are hydraulic lifters, and so they're hydraulically filled with oil while the engine has oil pressure, and they should hold pressure even after the engine's turned off. If I use a screwdriver here, you guys can see that one had like, I don't know, almost a 1/4 inch of play. If I go down here to my valve train and I look at these, if I check this number 1 here, I have no movement. This number 2 was the one that I took out because I had that 1/4 inch movement or 1/2 inch movement. No movement there. This one, you can see I've got movement, so I'll replace that lifter as well. That valve's up. It's a bad time to check it. This one's good, and I think my back ones were good as well. You can see the screwdriver that I stuck in the spark plug hole so that I could check the position of the piston and make sure that it wasn't up at top dead center. And then what I did was grab some channel lock pliers. I grabbed this rocker arm and I pulled backwards on it to open the valve, and I slipped my push rod out of there. After that, I used my magnet and I fished down in there. I pulled that lifter out. I've got new lifters soaking in oil right there, and hopefully when I'm all done, I have a lot less noise, if not no noise at all. So if you've got a lifter noise, a really easy way to tell which ones are bad. You may have to spin the engine a couple times just to get the valves at the closed position, but after that, you know what to do. Good luck.